since you've been a Delhiite through and through, what is the most Delhi thing about you?
I think the way I talk. I've become Punjabi. क्या हो रहा है? हाँ जी.
And is there something that you hate about Delhi?
ये घड़ी, ये गाड़ी, ये बैग. जानता नहीं मेरा बाप कौन है. भाई तुझे पता होना चाहिए बस. वही मैटर करता है.
But I'm sure that you also have your bad hair, bad skin day.
Every day. ये तो सब कर आके ठीक कर देते हैं थोड़ा सा. Like
Growing up, we feel that life is over in 20s.
that is the biggest lie they've been telling us.
Yeah.
I used to think, oh my god, like the older I'll get insecure and da. But no, I think it's the other way. It's like, oh my god, like I can do anything. Like I'm economically independent. I'm my own person. I can pick up a bag and travel anywhere, and the sky is the limit for me.
You know, I personally hate it when people compare female friendships to male friendships and they say that male friendships are stronger.
नैरेटिव है
And,
भाई, ये
हाँ.
लड़के इतना जिम चले जाओ दिल्ली साउथ दिल्ली में कुछ समझ आ जाएगा. क्या सप्लीमेंट ले रहे कुछ नहीं भाई, नेचुरल बॉडी है, नेचुरल एकदम नेचुरल. शायद झूठे. You know what I mean? They don't even share their nutrition diet plan with each other. They're so insecure.
ये एस्ट्रोल से है या नेचुरल है?
नहीं भाई जेनेटिक है.
Top 3 Huma Qureshi films that everyone must watch. I think my personal favorite has to be Mohsina from Gangs of Wasseypur.
It was something that happened with Nawaz, where a girl rejected him, and he was very emotional about it. He shared it during a workshop, and Anurag wanted us to recreate that scene, and we did. And 200 actors, कोई नहीं पता था कौन क्या है. उसके बाद सब लोग बड़े famous बन गए.
बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा देख के when you said yes to going on the Pretty Good Roast show.
Well, the credit for that actually has to go to Bassi. He came to pick me up, and then as we were driving, मैं कहा अच्छा बोलना क्या है? He gave me a lot of things which I wrote down. Wow. So what is more important for you? Personal hygiene or
Better
English? English मतलब एकदम फर्राटेदार बोलता है, मगर personal hygiene is full on.
कहते मैं ला दूंगी.
मैं नहला दूंगी.
Do you have those stories where you were quoted by a guy and he would come and wait outside your college and ऐसे होता था ना?
जब से आपको देखा है थिंकिंग ही चेंज हो गई है. Like, भाई उससे पहले तू क्या सोचता था मुझे बताइए जरा. Like
This one particular reel that has been turned into a meme and it's viral, and it's when you're walking into a party and I think Babil Khan is trying to talk to you about something.
यार तुम इतने बदमाश हो ना.
Hi guys, I'm Sadhika
Hi guys, I'm Radhika.
and this is the South Delhi Girls podcast, and today we're sitting with a fellow South Delhi girl, none other than Huma Qureshi.
हाय.
Hi Huma.
पहले तो तुम ये मुझे बताओ ये तुम्हारा असली नाम है कि तुमने शो के लिए रखे था राधिका साधिका.
ये हमारे असली नाम
ये कैसा
And
कोइंसिडेंस
we
है
call it
राधिका
संजोग.
साधिका.
We call it संजोग.
and we're best friends.
तुम बुद्धू बना रहे हो.
नहीं,
ये
नहीं.
कैसा है?
And हम
तुम
लोग
बचपन में बिछड़ गए थे.
हम बचपन में आई थिंक
Probably
हम पैदा
कुछ
होते हुए
लोगों में.
बिछड़ गए थे और बचपन में मिल गए एक दूसरे से. Yes.
So we used to go to the same tuition center and we became best friends there. And rest is history. We've
Like
been
राधिका.
friends.
साधिका.
Sadhika.
Yeah,
And everybody who listens to this gets psyched. Everybody thinks
Yeah.
we're kidding or we're taking their case.
तुमने बना रखी है वाइब सीता गीता राधिका साधिका है कुछ तो ना इंडियन वेस्टर्न ऐसे अच्छा है कुछ तो तुमने किया हुआ है ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग.
Works for us. And इससे पहले तक there have been people who've actually mistook us for sisters. And I've cleared that confusion that no, we're best friends, we're not sisters. So many people used to think that. So, you know,
Also your best friends also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing.
15 years and counting.
आप लोग की तो मौत है behind the scenes कैमरा वालों की.
So we just happened to work together, which is like an icing on the cake.
How lovely. How lovely. That's a cool story. A
Yes.
female friendship right
Yes.
there.
Yeah.
And we were just talking about how you also are from South Delhi.
Correct.
And in fact, I have been to Salim's so many times because it's walking distance from my house.
तू कहाँ रहती है?
GK.
बेस्ट होती है GK girls.
I agree. I agree. The shopping is good. The crowd is good.
M block के momos.
हाय हाय कोल्ड कॉफी.
मेरे को तो पालक पत्ता चाट.
That is in Lajpat Nagar though. I feel Lajpat Nagar pakode, chaat and
Is
that
better?
lassi is better.
हाँ, fair.
that's
So
true.
मम्मी used to
Even
go ना
छोले
शाम
भटूरे.
को. छोले भटूरे दिल्ली में कहीं खा लो.
हाँ, agreed.
कहीं खा लो.
Agreed. So growing up, you would also, go with your parents and eat
Full.
ऐसे इधर-उधर.
Prince की चाट.
Yes.
Momos, cold coffee, and I remember Gargi के opposite Mithas used to be there. And when छोले कुलचे वाले भैया right outside our college, he
Yes.
was bomb, too good.
You attended Gargi?
I didn't Gargi.
Oh wow, we're also from DU.
Oh, nice, lovely.
So many coincidences, wow.
अभी South Delhi मतलब where else ना मतलब where did you guys go?
Bhagat Singh, Venki.
Yeah.
So South Campus only.
But not Gargi.
Oh my God. Now that's, like the South Delhi girl has arrived.
No, but DU is fun. Dues
Dues
fun.
fun.
And South Campus is also cool. या North Campus वालों ने अलग बना रखा है कि नहीं
You know,
North
I
Campus.
agree. I agree.
ना?
A lot of times we were made to feel like, you know, some outcast or something. But I think South Campus is also a lot
I think
of
because
fun.
location wise we are a little more spread out. We have
Exactly.
like that kind of space,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
they are a bit more clustered.
Yeah, and they have that campus feeling, you know, that it's missing here. Like Venki के आसपास तो फिर भी 4-5 कॉलेज, even Gargi का KNC वगैरह. But still, I feel North Campus that way is better because you get to
Yeah.
have like rural
That
college
university
life
feeling.
and that whole Majnu ka Tila thing. But
Yeah.
ठीक है, South Delhi is fun. South Delhi is South Delhi.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
no
Although
coming
Gargi
close.
and Kamala Nehru, till date, whenever I cross that road, I see so many guys, you know, on their bikes.
Of course,
parked
it was a
for girls.
full like a scene. Like guys were there. मतलब we never felt we were in all girls. कितने लड़के होते थे हमेशा.
That's like a playground for men, you know. Okay, ये तो hunting यहाँ जाओ. I know.
हाँ.
Fresh women
Window
out of
shopping.
college, yeah.
विंडो शॉपिंग
Yeah.
हाँ
And
बट
you know,
but
fun
हम
fact-
बड़े इतने कमीने होते थे बहुत उनसे हमने उनको बहुत लूटा है मतलब कोई किसी को दिखने आता था तो सारी फ्रेंड्स चलो 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 कॉफी पीते कॉफी के पैसे कौन दे रहा है
पर चलो इतना तो बनता था. They're getting the company ना.
हाँ खुशी खुशी
हाँ.
मतलब खुशी खुशी कॉफी पिलाएंगे ऑफ कोर्स
So do you have those stories where you were courted by a guy and he would come and wait outside your college and ऐसे होता था ना?
जब से आपको दिखा है थिंकिंग ही चेंज हो गई है मैं like, भाई उससे पहले तो क्या सोचता था मुझे बताइए जरा like you know but I think for me out of that hanging all those I made some good friends also. Like one of those friends is an actor called Rahul Bagga, who used to come to meet his then girlfriend, and we became friends. And that's also how I started working with Act One, Mr. N.K. Sharma, which was my theatre group from Delhi.
Yeah.
Masti and mazak and guys coming over there, something good actually came out of it. जिससे मतलब मेरी life genuinely बदली because otherwise I didn't know Act One at all. Because Bagga used to come meet his girlfriend, तो and I used to always be with my friend and like चल कॉफी के पैसे तू देगा ये करेगा. Then one day he's like तुम लोग theatre करोगे क्या मेरे ग्रुप के साथ तो ये like yeah but हम दोनों करेंगे. No, that was the thing. And that's how my journey with Act One and theatre happened.
So उससे पहले acting का कोई plan नहीं था.
नहीं एक्टिंग का प्लान as such नहीं था मतलब प्लान तो कभी था ही नहीं इट वाज जस्ट समथिंग आई लाइक डूइंग आई वाज डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर थिएटर आई वाज ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी प्रेसिडेंट इन गार्गी अब तो अच्छा बड़ा ऑडी बन गया तब तो वी यूज्ड टू हैव अ वेरी like stage and
open
like
में.
hall and that kind of open it was a hall
Achha.
but it wasn't like so fancy now we have a really fancy I think Gargi I had
Yeah.
gone there recently a very fancy auditorium so I was like यहाँ पे तो इतना मतलब literally it was like one platform kind of a stage or like khali hall and but that was so much fun though leaking and creaking and all
Yeah,
that.
that's fun. Now,
Yeah.
when you know, like my nephews and nieces, they go to all AC schools. I'm like, bhai, there's no fun in
There's
that.
no fun. It
जो
has to be a
Yeah.
bit like
light
Gand.
चली जाती थी, पसीने निकल उतर
Gand
रहे
is fun.
teachers.
थोड़ा होना
हाँ,
चाहिए थोड़ा
right,
मजा आता है
right.
हाँ
And they too don't even have that struggle now because I remember we would wear skirts, but in the middle of the curriculum, like in the middle of the year, we would switch to suits and everything. They've
Really?
Not, yeah.
So we never had that. We had like in school we had the same uniform throughout.
Oh.
On I think sports जो एक Tuesday or one of the days we used to do like a house
House
t-shirt
uniform.
with that used to
Right.
be there which was quite fun. So you were like Akanksha whatever.
Yeah.
My house was Akanksha so I had a blue t-shirt. So we used to wear those.
Which school did you go to?
Rice School in Lodi Road. Very South Delhi. Fully.
Again.
No, but seriously, but I think I knew I had to come for the show because literally I was a hardcore South Delhi girl to the core because my entire life before moving to Bombay was in this 5-6 kilometer radius. मतलब GK1, Lodi Road School, Gargi, City Fort College. So literally life was like this.
A triangle. Yes.
Like literally this triangle यही चल रहा था उसके बाद then थोड़ा सा explosion हुआ तो मतलब towards NSD Mandi House because Act One वहाँ पे हम rehearsal जाते थे then that time then I started working with Amir Raza Hussain so he was in Gurgaon so we used to go to his place for like rehearsals or whatever then I started so literally धीरे धीरे कैसे आपका circle ऐसे expand होता है now तो I feel it's like explosion like my world has really exploded
Yeah.
So, since you've been a Delhiite through and through, what is the most Delhi thing about you?
I think the way I talk. It's a bit straight up front और दिल्ली वाले मिल जाते तो कुछ अपने आप ना ज़बान कुछ ऐसे
ये तो
I
है।
become Punjabi क्या हो रहा है हाँ जी so like I have that some people also like I can switch it also like I think but I think the way I think the I guess the warmth I have is very much like a Delhi wala like I think and this is actually once you live in I'm going to say this at the cost of sounding I don't know whatever you know when you live in Maharashtra मराठीज बहुत स्वीट होते हैं और बड़े पोलाइट होते हैं एंड दे आर असर्टिव बट इन अ वेरी क्वाइट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ वे उनके पास मतलब बहुत पैसा भी होगा ना दे विल नॉट बी फ्लैशी अबाउट इट
Right.
दिल्ली पीपल Oh God,
yeah,
भाई साहब इतनी डींगे मरवा लो.
500 रुपए लेके
हाँ.
ऐसी बातें करते कि लाल किला इन्होंने खरीदा
हाँ
हुआ है।
मतलब अलग ही वो चला. And we are very loud and we are very
Loud to
assertive.
for sure, for
हम
sure.
बताते
Bold
थे.
also.
You'll know when a Delhi person is entering the room.
Yeah.
You'll understand that.
3-4 गालियां जब तक नहीं दी मजा ही नहीं आता. I mean, I don't know about you.
That's
but,
a good
you know,
thing.
we're
No, that's
very-
I think girls should abuse little bit. It's nice. I
we're
think
very
girls
Delhi
must.
like that. कि
Yeah,
ठीक
yeah,
है.
yeah. It's a very empowering thing. थोड़ी तो अच्छा लगता है. But और लड़कियों के मुंह से थोड़ा और अच्छा
और
लगता
अच्छा
है.
लगता है।
But हाँ वो एक है दिल्ली वालों का तो
And is there something that you hate about Delhi or dislike about Delhi?
थोड़ा शोशा ज्यादा है. ये घड़ी, ये गाड़ी, ये बैग, जानता नहीं मेरा बाप कौन है. भाई तुझे पता होना चाहिए बस. वही
true,
मैटर
that's
करता है.
true
मुझे जानने की कोई जरूरत नहीं तेरा बाप कौन है. So that I feel a bit like yeah, not needed. And actually you don't realize it when you live here. When you go out and you come back, you notice it a lot more.
That
You
is
stole
true.
my words, you know. This is exactly what I was going to say, that until you're here in that
Yeah.
same pool, you don't even realize what's wrong with you.
No.
But then when you experience the world out now,
हाँ, you're like,
and you realize
yeah.
the humility people have, that you're like,
It's
"बस
very
यार, ठीक
different.
है."
And it's in the little things. For example, people in Delhi honk as if मतलब उनका कुछ
They're paid for it.
हाँ, exactly. And बाहर when you move out of Delhi or even if you go to a place like Goa for that matter, nobody is honking.
Nobody's
You're the only person honking because
So-
you
and
know,
everyone's
you
like,
come
why are
in-
you honking? It's rude. You're like, oh, actually, this is rude.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was like, hey, हट जा. क्या कर रहा है? दिमाग खराब है तेरा अंदर. So you're just like,
Yeah, that's true.
और ये अच्छी बात है दिल्ली की, बुरी बातें नहीं बता रहे हम. We love
हाँ,
Delhi. Yeah.
we are Delhi.
हमें पूरा
This
हक
is what
है.
makes Delhi Delhi.
हमें पूरा हक है बोलने का.
हमें तो हक है, हम तो घर वाले हैं.
course.
हम तो बोल सकते हैं.
What
कोई
do you
और
mean?
नहीं बोल सकता.
हाँ बाहर वाला नहीं बोल सकता. उसको पीट देंगे. आप नहीं बोलोगे.
हाँ, उनको बता देंगे कि बाप
अच्छा,
कौन
this
है.
is also very Delhi thing कि मैं जो बोलूं तुम नहीं बोल सकते.
Of course. और हमारी like we are very like protective like that.
Yes.
We can say whatever to ourselves, our city, our family,
Our people.
Our people. बाहर वाला नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
हाँ.
तू किस तरीके से बोल दिया? तू कौन है?
Like a typical पूरे एक maternal instinct माँ भी ऐसी होती है ना, मैं अपने बेटे को 4 थप्पड़ लगा दूंगी but तुम कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
But also I feel like दिल्ली में वो होता है ना because there's so many people who come to Delhi from all over. Right?
Yeah.
It's such a melting
Across.
pot. I don't know what is a Delhi wala or a Delhi wali anymore. Because I feel like you get so many, you get influenced by so many different people. Like when I was growing up in college, I had like people from the northeast, people from the south, people from like MP, like just all over coming and studying together. Like a lot of Biharis or like Uttar Pradesh. So it was very like, I don't know, it was like a melting pot. You know, which was very interesting because then I mean everyone was from Delhi in a way, but then they were from somewhere, now they're here, but they're still Delhi wala. So it's also very interesting.
Yeah, I think the true essence of being a Delhiite is actually, you know, being a mix of everything.
Correct.
And whether it's food, because you know, दिल्ली में सब टाइप का खाना अच्छा मिल जाएगा, बाकी सारी जगहों पे फिर भी थोड़ी थोड़ी स्पेशलिटीज होती हैं. And I think same is with the people.
Is the same case with Bombay also, that there are also a lot of people from all walks of life, all areas of the country, they come to make career.
Absolutely. I mean, I love living in Bombay. It's given me everything that I am today. बोलते ना Delhi is Janmbhoomi and Mumbai is Karmbhoomi. And that really holds true for me because everything, my identity, I think my values, my upbringing and who I am at the core of me is all Delhi. But I think who I am to the rest of the world and the confidence and my work and my identity Mumbai has given me, and they both are equally important. आपका core और values भी important होते हैं और आपका sense of self worth, identity, confidence भी important होता है. I think तो दोनों शहरों ने मुझे वो दिया है, and दोनों की मतलब similarity वही है कि like people come from different parts of the world and but still I think हर इंसान की तरह हर शहर की भी अपनी personality होती है. So they both have different personalities.
Yeah.
Is it true that life is faster in Bombay as compared to Delhi?
I don't know. It doesn't seem fast to me.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
actually a good thing, right?
I mean, it is fast. There's a lot of hustle. There's a lot of speed. Like, there's a lot of like, also a lot of people from Bombay, like, we come from different parts of the world and वहाँ पे purely काम के purpose से आते हैं. Because मेरी family यहाँ पे है तो मतलब I know even now for a lot of my friends कि 5-6 बजे के बाद अभी घर जाओ chill party रोज को dinner हो रहा है आज यहाँ जाना है आज वहाँ जाना है कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है. Like social life is very hectic. But I feel, at least for my industry, like we are always working. There's no Saturday, Sunday, Monday. काम है तो है, नहीं है तो नहीं है.
Yeah. Speaking of hustle, I love your house. My God, it's so beautiful.
Thank you.
So I have a very girly question to ask
Ask
also.
her.
So you look
ये मेरा
fab.
earring फंस गया निकालिए जरा. हाँ, thank you. Just pull it. वो ना कब वो उसके हाँ, thanks.
Suit na.
But
दोनों
thank
पे
you.
वो है ना, काम हुआ हुआ है
हाँ,
तो अड़ रहा है.
अड़ है बार-बार, हाँ. Yes, sorry, you asking. हाँ.
Yeah. So today you look fab, but I'm
Thank you.
sure that you also have your bad hair, bad skin day.
Every day. ये तो सब कर आके ठीक कर देते हैं थोड़ा सा. Like. हाँ, जाओ. हाँ.
Well, I love how raw and real she is.
Yeah.
Wow. On the days that you're not feeling your best self, because a lot of young women watch us
Correct.
and they feel inadequate a lot of
Yeah.
days. तो आप उन दिनों कैसे चीज़ों को handle करते हो? What is your approach?
Just self-talk. And I feel not beautiful. Like right now, I'm actually exhausted. As you guys know, we were talking about it. I've just come from Noida. I've driven like in peak traffic 1.5 hours. We landed in Delhi last night at 2. I've been up since 6:30. I've been on the road doing multiple interviews because this is peak time. There's promotions. My show is coming. You know all of that. So yeah, it's very exhausting. If you give me an option right now, I want to take my makeup off and go and sleep. But it's not an option. I have to finish this. I have to go do something else. And life में ऐसे ही होता है. Sometimes we don't get what we want, and we don't feel best, and we don't have all the energy in the world. But it is what it is. You know, I don't know. I guess you have to. That's what growing up is about.
Yeah.
And I also feel like we shouldn't like be hyper focused on how we are looking. I feel that just somehow it moves you away from your core. And I think that's so. I mean, do I like wearing good clothes? Yeah. Do I want to look beautiful? Yes. But it's not possible for anyone to look beautiful all the time.
Fair.
It's just not humanly possible. Even the supermodels and the actresses or whoever is your, you know, most gorgeous pin-up person, even they don't look. They also have bad hair days. They also get pimples. They also like don't feel like going out. They don't feel like dressing out. And you know, so it's really okay. You just have to learn to be kinder to yourself and not like look at every flaw, every pimple, every wrinkle, every bad hair day like it's the end of the world.
And I think that is exactly what most, you know, women or young girls actually falter with, because there are so many insecurities when you're growing up, right?
Yeah.
It's almost like everybody around you, you feel judged all the time.
Yeah. I try and do this with my work, right? So supposing if I'm doing a really sensual song, then of course I'll do the outfit and the hair blowing and the red lips and the jewelry and everything because that's what my work demands. But do I look like that all the time? No. So if I have to do another film or a series like Maharani where I don't have to wear makeup, I am supposed to, you know, age
raw.
myself and show all my blemishes and go all raw. It's fine. And in fact, doing something like a Maharani, doing something like a Tarla, doing something, you know, like a Delhi Crime that's going to come up right now, it just gives me so much validation because you feel like, okay, so people love me and people like me beyond just my looks.
Yeah.
So there's something more I have to offer as opposed to just being a beautiful, pretty girl with a great fashion sense. All of those things are true about me, but I'm also more, you know.
That's very fulfilling also, right?
Yeah, because you just don't want to be कि अच्छा मैं सुंदर है, but वो तो कोई उपलब्धि नहीं हुई ना, वो तो फिर. And I feel like as a person, I have both those sides to me. I can look really great and I can not look so great, and they both are me and they both are valid and it's fine. We don't need to be an airbrushed version of ourselves every single day.
Yeah.
You know, and we need to normalize that. We need to normalize women looking a certain way because I'll not look like this. You'll not look like this your whole life. But are you only good till you look picture perfect? And then what happens? You're supposed to what? Kill yourself.
Yeah.
You know, you're not valid anymore. So which is why I feel like in my work at least I try and do that because it's fun because I get to play different characters, but also I feel like कितना pressure भैया मतलब you know all the time क्यों लेना है?
Agreed. And
I
time to time
love
believe
it,
भी करना चाहिए.
you know, when women like you come and say such real things because in the name of self-love, no, we're promoting ye permanent
makeup.
retail therapy, and I think what we truly need is self-acceptance, and that is what you just talked
Yeah.
about. That, you
Yeah.
know, it's okay to
Be kinder to
love
yourself.
but
Yeah.
accept yourself first, and you know,
Or
self-love
just
is not
believe
about
no
putting
matter
yourself
what you
under
do,
all
you put
that.
on weight, lose weight, you're wearing the best outfit in the world, you're wearing a jhola, bori pen ke baithe ho, you just should be like, I'm fine, I'm really okay. Because beyond that, there's also a version of you that should be attractive, which has to be more than that, which has to be, I guess, your conversation, your mind.
And your personality.
Your personality,
Yeah.
your being. Can you bring joy to people the moment you enter? It doesn't matter if you're looking, मतलब वो तुम्हें देख के चक्कर नहीं खा रहे लोग, but are you giving some joy to them? Are you bringing something valuable to them? And I think that's far more important.
Yeah.
For sure.
And I also loved your point about, you know, how people always talk about, and even girls, they always talk about pretty privilege, that it's okay to acknowledge your pretty privilege.
it is.
Of course, but at the same
मैं तो बड़ा
time,
use करती हूँ, बड़े मजे आते हैं. Please
मतलब
help
ऐसा
कर
लगता है कि it's
दीजिए.
wasted opportunity if you don't
Yeah,
use it
yeah.
ना. It's right there,
100%.
why not?
आपके पास दिमाग है, आप यूज नहीं करोगे तो बेवकूफ कौन हुआ?
बिल्कुल.
आपके पास बल है, ताकत है. Of course you'll use it. If you have beauty, why shouldn't you use it? What is the problem?
Exactly, yeah.
You all use what we have, na?
Fair.
Yeah.
And on the other side of it, I think it's absolutely okay to acknowledge that while you're pretty and you acknowledge your pretty privilege, it's okay to want to be loved for more than just your looks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And
I
you can
love your
flip, you
point.
can switch. There is no rule. Nobody saying नहीं आपने तो उस दिन वो बोला था हाँ भाई माइंड चेंज कर लिया आज वो मत नहीं कर रहा मतलब कोई पत्थर की लगी नहीं आप जिंदगी भर ऐसे ही होंगे.
Yeah.
Who says who?
Exactly. And while we're on the topic of discussing the characters, the many characters that you've done over the years, I think my personal favorite has to be Mohsina from Gangs of Wasseypur.
The
And
first one.
The first one. And I know it was an iconic, legendary scene. I think whenever anybody talks about pop culture, that has to come
Yes,
up. Whether
yes.
it is, permission to lena chahiye. And of course, you
My
said better.
personal favorite is you saying no to the movie proposal. सटक
Oh
के
my
बैठोगे,
God.
सट के बैठोगे, सट के बैठोगे, हाथ पकड़ोगे, अपनी अम्मा को ही ले जाओ. That is my favorite scene of all time. I
Who would have
can't get over
thought?
it.
Who would have thought it would still be?
What's the story behind that
How
scene?
did it come about? Like, it is such a perfect scene.
It was impromptu.
Really?
Yeah. It was impromptu. I've said this many times. It was just like we winged it. It was just not even rehearsed or written. It was something that happened with Nawaz, where a girl rejected him, and he was very emotional about it. He shared it during a workshop, and Anurag wanted us to recreate that scene, and we did. And
Oh my God, you recreated it, and how? I mean, it's amazing. It's flawless.
Yeah, it's one of the one of those legendary scenes that that's edged in your memory
Yeah.
forever. And what was it like to be firstly a part of a movie so good, and also working with Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who's now a legendary actor. I mean, he was great then also.
you
but,
mean I'm
know-
not legendary?
No.
You're only calling him legendary. I'm very upset. with
She's
you.
saving that question for Nawazuddin when he comes
Yeah, you
here.
better
Yes.
ask him.
Now
How
you
does he
tell
feel
us.
working like with me?
Yeah.
No, we will.
आपके भाग खुले कि नहीं नवाज?
100%.
No, Nawaz is lovely, and I don't know. I think there is a special feeling I have towards him because he's been my first co-star, and because that first film got so much love, and till date, films come and go. Nobody remembers their box office or whatever. It is just the first film that gave me, I think, उस time ना आप बड़े stupid होते हो. पहली बार पता ही क्या होता है आपको ना. When I look back, I'm like, I've been so blessed and so lucky that one film gave me everything. No, really, it got box office. It had a sequel. It went to Cannes Film Festival. मतलब I'm like पहली पिक्चर में सब कुछ ही मिल गया. Like how is that even possible? It was, and I don't think anybody expected that film to do what it did. It was like such a
It was
massive
a cult
cast.
classic, but it became like iconic.
200 actors, कोई नहीं पता था कौन क्या है. उसके बाद सब लोग बड़े famous बन गए. सारे ही actually बन गए. But I think it's just been one of those really special things I was a part of. I think right place, right time, good energies. I don't know what it was. I don't know what I've done to deserve it, but it's it really is a special one.
Yeah. And I mean, it doesn't happen like you rightly acknowledge that that first film itself gave you so much. It doesn't happen for a lot of people.
Yeah.
A lot of people build brick by brick, and it's a very rare occurrence.
But I've also
एक बारी
built
में-
brick by brick, but it was just वो तुक्का लग. I don't know
So
what
much
it
came
was.
together in that one moment.
Yeah, just so many things just
But
came
it's
together.
the way you're accepting it here, because what we've seen right now is this wave of sudden relatability, right? And we've talked about this point in
Interesting.
this
Tell me about
podcast
this.
also.
What does that mean?
Like nepo kids sitting and talking about how they're very poor and they don't have enough money. I mean, I can sit here and I'm a nobody and I can say I spend more money than that. So, whatever.
Yeah.
So there's this whole wave of being very relatable and downplaying your privileges.
Yeah.
And we've talked about this topic in our previous episode only, that it's okay to acknowledge
Your privilege.
how you've been lucky.
Yeah.
Not every day is a lucky day, but on the rare occasions that you've been really lucky, it's good to acknowledge. And also, the more you acknowledge these things, the more they happen in your life, the more you invite that
Manifest it.
abundance
Yes.
and gratitude in your life. So I to feel the more people are trying to be relatable, na wo downfall aata hi ja raha hai. And that's actually very common.
Actually,
if
it's
you
not
see
even
it.
that. I think if you just try and be anything that you're not, people will smell it. And I don't want to comment on anybody in particular, or it's not even a nepo, non-nepo kind of a thing. I think if you're just inauthentic in life,
Yeah.
no matter who you are, people will just sniff that. If I try and pretend and be here and try to give you some gyan about something, you'll be like, अरे यार ये पका रही है, क्या बोल रही है? Because honestly, मुझे ये लगता है, before you've given your interview, before you've opened your mouth, before anything, people have a certain energy and an aura, which is something you can't cheat. It's not something you can recreate. You just know, and then of course, like यार हम तो मतलब all of us are in the public eye now. Nothing is hidden. So in social media आपको सब बता देता है, कल मैंने क्या खाया था, मेरा hair cut कैसा था, फलाना. So nothing is really a secret anymore. Everything is in the public domain. So I can come and in the moment try and be like, yeah, मैं बहुत simple लड़की हूँ or whatever. You'll be like, अरे कल तो तुम वहाँ पार्टी कर रहे थे, क्या बोल रहे हो? You know what I'm saying? So I feel there's no. I mean, it's such a burden to try and be something else.
Yeah.
It's just so much better to just be yourself. And also, I feel like if you just own up to who you are, other people can't shame you for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. You're
You
taking
know?
that power
हाँ.
away from them, right?
Yeah, exactly. Like, and I feel like just बोल दो. You take the power away from the other person. हाँ, ये है अच्छा. अब क्या करूँ? मतलब, now what do I do about it?
Yeah.
And I think it's perfectly acceptable that yes, you've been lucky, but you've also worked your way.
you have to
through
work hard.
where you are in
Can I
life.
please tell you something? Everybody works hard.
I agree.
Generally, I'm telling you,
I agree.
you have to work hard. It is the nature of the beast. ऐसा नहीं कि वो बैठा है और कोई chill कर रहा है और बहुत सारी opportunity आ रही है. मतलब वो doesn't last at all. Everybody works hard. You have to. Some people are just luckier than the others. That is also a fact.
Yes.
Having said that, also luck also, I mean, favors those who keep working. So what does it mean? It just means that the only bloody thing in your hands is just your own hard work and your own thought process. There is nothing else you can do. I can't make you give me an opportunity. I can't make you change your mind about me. I can just tell you, भैया मेरा ऐसा है, मेरे को ये करना है, मुझे ये पसंद है, मेरा ये काम है और अपना काम अपना हार्ड वर्क. उसके बाद आप किसी को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते कि आपके बारे में अपनी ओपिनियन चेंज करे या कुछ भी.
बिल्कुल.
So you've worked hard and you've been this career woman. Society usually, conditions women to dim their light and suppress their ambition. And then there's you. You started with acting. Now you're a producer. You're an author. You're doing so much back-to-back projects. How did you not let society dim your light, and how did you just power through and refuse to be any less than you've been?
I don't know. I really don't have an answer. How did you do it? Matlab, I don't know. Did I wake up and decide, or do I have a 5-year plan कि मैं ऐसा ही करने वाली हूँ? No, I just live my own truth. I live my life. I do films that I want to do. I work on projects that I want to work on. I work with people I like to work with, who make me feel seen and validated, and who believe in me and I believe in them. Because it's nice to work with people. When you have a common goal. I don't know, yeah. I just find it simpler to listen to my own voice than to other people's. क्योंकि जितना मैंने, and I've done this also, and I think it's also a function of growing older. I think the more older you grow, the better it is. I used to think the other way around. I used to think, oh my God, the older I'll get insecure and da. But no, I think it's the other way. It's like, oh my God, I can do anything. I'm economically independent. I'm my own person. I can pick up my bag and travel anywhere. And the sky is the limit for me. And it's so,
100%.
and you're no longer thinking about other people's opinions. You don't have to ask other people's permission. कि ये करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. आपको क्या लगता है? You are सक्षम to make your own mind कि हाँ मैं कर सकती हूँ, मुझे पता है. And it's just amazing.
Yeah,
It's
that's
liberating.
Very,
It's very
almost.
liberating.
Yes, because you suddenly feel like in your 20s you're still struggling, things are not
Yeah.
working out, you don't even know the direction sometimes. Your entirety of your 20s goes into getting that direction right. And in your 30s, suddenly you just feel like, oh my God, you're able, you can make decisions, you can do whatever, and you're not answerable also.
Yeah.
And you know better also. So it's like you trust yourself a little more also.
Yeah. And the irony is that growing up, we feel that life is over in 20s.
That is the biggest
Irony of
myth.
life, है ना?
No, it's not irony. That is the biggest lie they've been telling us.
Yeah.
You understand? Because
Yes.
I think there's this whole thing कि I don't know. ये सबसे बड़ा conspiracy है. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
कि नहीं इसके बाद तो बस यही life है. And I'm just
आपकी तो यही उम्र
I
है.
have no idea. Why are we lying to people, bro? It's
And,
just so much better.
And to think कि ये पहले से पता होता, it would have saved us from so much pressure.
Anxiety.
Yes,
Yeah.
So much pressure
yes.
that we've felt
Yeah.
growing up as young women.
Which
कि
is so
बस-
cool what you guys are doing, because you're
Yeah.
talking about the female experience of women
Yeah.
in their 30s and
Yeah.
talking about what it means to be from South Delhi and being independent and career woman and still being, I guess, families and
Yeah.
whatever. And it's lovely because they all are true. You don't have to choose either or.
Yes, exactly. And I think we're approaching our 30s. So, we're also having that sort of mindset shift where we're realizing that, listen, it's okay. There is nothing as a clock anymore, right? If you're
Absolutely.
okay with whatever you're doing, if this is the time where you want to focus on your career, you want to sit across, remarkable people, have conversations,
Yeah.
and chill with your friends and make a living and make a house, and that's fine. And it's
Correct.
okay. And you'll get married when you get married, but that's not the end of the world.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right? If I'm 29 and I'm unmarried, I'm not a
It's
failure anymore.
perfectly okay.
So, since we're approaching 30s and you've accomplished so much more than us, any advice you'd like to give women like us and
Yeah.
also the viewers?
I don't know, just buy nice shoes. Yeah, comfortable shoes are very important. Don't have to be brands, but they have to be comfortable and they have to make you feel good. Yeah, bad shoes are a bad idea. What else? Invest. I think investing your money and understanding about finance is extremely important. But then again, I often hear like this mindset thing that women are not like, you should ask the men what to do. Not at all. You know exactly, perfectly well what to do with your money. It's your money, it's your hard work. You should exactly know where you put it, how you invested it. And it's not rocket science, really. What else? Skincare, invest in good skincare. Also very important.
Very practical.
Yeah, very practical. Don't eat
Yes.
sugar. Give up sugar. It's the worst thing ever. The sooner you give up sugar, the better you will be.
Yeah.
Sugar is the worst thing. I don't know why we do sugar anymore. Do enough. Like these are just things I think that have made a real difference in my life. And all of these things were something that I was also because of conditioning. I was resenting. ये sugar तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I love sugar. But the day I gave up sugar, I was like, wow. Like, oh, this is what it feels like. And of course,
Yes.
there's a bit of a thing because sugar is so addictive, right? Your body craves for it at
Yeah.
4 o'clock, like that energy dip or whatever. So I had to wean my body off it by doing like supplements or like, when I say supplements, I mean like, not supplements, substitutes.
Substitutes.
By doing substitutes or by doing good or something that is like a healthier like a substitute for it. And it's amazing what it does to your skin, your mood. I felt like a lot of the low energy thoughts like just went, but that's also very me. So it maybe it's different for different people. What else? Yeah, and just your money things. You should know what you're doing with your money. Very important.
All very practical advices.
Absolutely.
What
yeah.
else do you want to know?
No, that's perfect.
Okay, I want to know.
Impractical advice.
Okay, I want to know Bollywood advice.
Oh wow.
Top 3 Huma Qureshi films that everyone must watch.
Maybe how to pick top 3?
See, Gangs of Wasseypur for
Okay,
वो
चल.
तो
But chalo, like
has
I
to be
just
on the
feel like
list.
because everybody must have watched it anyway, I think some other 3 films should be on the list.
आप बताओ.
I don't know. I like recent May. I Monica, my darling. I think it's a very cool, fun film, and I really like my performance in that.
I'm looking forward to Delhi Crime 3 personally.
That'll be amazing. Also, I'm playing a very dark character in that. Then I think a very difficult one was also Badlapur. Actually, Badlapur and Tarla both. I feel those are very very different.
Yes.
But
hard
very,
hitting.
very, yeah. I mean, Tarla is very sweet, feel good. Badlapur is more hard hitting. Tarla is very sweet. And the last one is my release that's coming out today, which is called Single Salma. It's in the theatres. It's about, you girls will really relate to it. It's about a girl called Salma, who's a Shia Muslim girl, and she's single. And because she's single, all hell breaks loose when she now decides to live life on her own terms. And it's very, very relatable. It's in theatre, so please go watch it. Please go support it. It's for all the single ladies out there.
And you've produced it, right?
My brother's produced it. Yeah,
Wow.
Saqib has produced it. It's our company together. Yes.
Wow. I have to ask you one thing that while your work is remarkable and everybody's seen it and everybody, like enjoys watching it, one thing that I personally enjoy watching or consuming on Instagram when I look at you is your friendship that you have with, Sonakshi Sinha. I just feel like, so I hold female friendships extremely dear
course,
to me
of
and as
course.
does Radhika. And, like both of us, so many people would tell us that, listen, working together as friends is never a good idea. Like that is something that we've heard from people around us.
Yeah.
But I'm here to stand and say that, listen, just go for it. If you have like a best friend like hers, just go for it. And similarly, when I look at you and I look at, these certain memes or reels that come about with you and Sonakshi, I just find it so wholesome and
Yeah.
so nice.
Yeah.
So, like, how would you define female friendships in general? Or-
Everything. Everything. They make you, I don't know, you just need a safe space. And female friends hold that space for you. All my female friends are people I go to for advice, to vent, to just cry, to shop, to gossip, to do everything. And I think it's really important to have that in your life.
You know, I personally hate it when people compare female friendships to male friendships and they say that male friendships are stronger and female friendships are envious and all of that. But I feel it's wrong.
नैरेटिव है
And,
भाई, ये
हाँ.
लड़के इतना जिम चले जाओ दिल्ली, साउथ दिल्ली में, कहीं समझ आ जाएगा कि compete नहीं करते. भाई क्या ले रहा है
कौन
सप्लीमेंट
सा
आजकल तू?
reps कौन
क्या कह रही,
निकालेगा?
क्या सप्लीमेंट ले रहा है? कुछ नहीं भाई, नेचुरल बॉडी है, नेचुरल, एकदम नेचुरल. चल झूठे. You know what I mean? They don't even share their nutrition diet plan with each other. They're so insecure.
Yeah.
And
And we
women
should
to
have
overshare.
wardrobe.
Women to overshare.
They will go out of the
Yeah.
way. They will take your phone and order something or put something in your
You
cart.
have to get this. I'm
Yes.
ordering this for you. You
Yeah.
have to do
Yes.
this, which is so lovely. Yeah.
And that's happened with us actually.
Yeah,
at one
we do
party.
that.
Yeah.
Yesterday I ordered earphones for her. She's always using AirPods and I'm like, bhai, it's not good. You know, बहुत radiation होते तो earphones करना. I ordered for her. I was like, no, you
Sweet.
use it.
Very sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So
Thoughtful.
any 3 random rule of thumb के friendships को sustain करना है, अपनी female friendships को अपनी life में रखना है, because a lot of times I feel that women ना as they progress in life अपनी दोस्तियों को पीछे छोड़ते हुए चले जाती है. So any 3 rules of thumb that you
Stay in
feel
touch,
is
hang out. I don't know. Stay in touch, hang out, be there for each other. I think not just during difficult times, but also the fun times. I think women find it easier to be there for each other when something goes wrong, but it's also important to be there for each other when it's just you being just you and fun. And yeah, laugh together, do silly things.
Have
Go on
you-
holidays, go on an all girls holiday.
Wow.
Yes. Yes. That is our sign.
very important.
Yes. Have you ever had like a friendship breakup?
A friendship breakup.
Yeah.
Like stop talking to a friend altogether.
Yeah.
होता
I'm
ही
sure I
है,
have.
तो
Yeah,
सबका
I
होता है.
have. I think more than a breakup, I'm not a confrontational person. Very rarely do I get into a confrontation and like a
Okay.
कि मेरे को तुझसे बात नहीं करनी है, तो मतलब kind of a thing. बहुत
That's
बहुत बहुत
sweet.
बहुत rarely होता
You're
है.
like Sadhika. Like Sadhika's like you.
Yeah, so I know. I mean, otherwise I just वो automatically हो जाता है. Because I feel like life is too short to have these kind of ugly
Yeah.
confrontations. Unless someone's really triggered me, then तो I make it very clear that I'm very upset with you, and I'm not accepting this at all. But you will know exactly that.
You lay out your boundaries.
Huh?
You lay out your boundaries.
Very clearly, I'm saying I'm not appreciating. But earlier I used to get very angry and like lose my temper. Now I have learned how to communicate in a very very like, you know, दांत पिस के, मतलब you know I'm upset, but I'm not screaming. But I could, but I'm not. I think that has a lot of power.
I agree, and that's the level
ये
where
भी-
you know, sort of, I want to get to. I want to get
This
to
is
that.
also
आएगा, आएगा.
another fruit that I think adulting bears. Emotional intelligence जो आ जाती
भाई
है
सब
ना
में नहीं
इंसान
आती, मैंने देखे बहुत adults देखे मेरे इंडस्ट्री में. मैं नाम नहीं ले सकती, मेरा काम दाना पानी उड़ जाएगा. But ऐसा कोई नहीं होता ये. हाँ, wisdom is not directly proportional to how old you are. Some people choose to always remain I don't know,
Kids.
That's
idiotic.
true. No, I agree. Picked a better word.
You know, I have to.
Kids are lovely. I'm like idiots.
Ah, fair. Sorry to the kids. But you know, okay, so there's this one particular reel that has been turned into a meme and it's viral. And it's when you're walking into a party and I think Babul Khan is trying to, you know, talk to you about something. And the meme has been made such that you walk a couple of stairs and you're talking to somebody else now.
Yeah.
You know, you're not even in that conversation with Babul. You've just told him that we'll discuss this later. And you're heard saying, or there are subtitles on the meme that are
Correct.
saying that, you know, like you're seemingly pissed. What happened? Did somebody trigger you also in that moment and it was before your I'll not say anything era?
यार तुम इतने बदमाश हो ना, तुम ऐसे हंसते हंसते मुझसे क्या सवाल पूछ ले, but मैं I'll answer this. So Babil is a very sweet boy. I'm very fond of him, and of course I know him very well. I've been to his house. I met his mum. What that happened was just, you know how friends talk.
Yeah.
कि अरे what an idiot है, I want to slap this boy. It was one of those things that was just said like ऐसे ही.
Passing.
ऐसे पासिंग में, क्योंकि वो मुझसे कुछ बात कर रहा था जो मैं यहाँ पे शेयर नहीं कर सकती, कुछ हमारी बात थी और उसको रियलाइज नहीं हुआ कि पैप्स उसके पीछे ही हैं. तो मैं उसको बोल रही थी यहाँ नहीं करते ना, I'll call you later. उसको समझ नहीं आ रही थी क्योंकि वो अपने एक्साइटमेंट मुझसे बात कर रहा था. एंड देन द मोमेंट आई सॉर्ट ऑफ I turned, I just want to slap this boy. मतलब यहाँ पे बात करने की क्या जरूरत थी? It was just said it like that. And the next day, in fact, Babil and I spoke also. And we laughed about it. And I said, listen, do you want me to do a story? Like, you know, I mean, this is so silly. Like, he's like, no, just forget about it. And that was that. So
And
yeah.
then media did its job.
अभी मतलब यार सब लोग ना आजकल इतने फ्री बैठे हैं,
वैसे हेयर
बहुत ही-
स्क्रूटनी बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ चुकी है,
इतने
बहुत
फ्री
ज्यादा।
बैठे हैं कि मतलब उनको कुछ कुछ मिल जाए, मतलब वो करने के लिए।
And you know, it is actually a very scary and a
It
dangerous
happens with
place.
Sadhika all the time. So Sadhika
Yes.
did a podcast
you're
with
really
this very
famous,
yeah. अरे she did this podcast with a very famous rapper. ठीक है? And Sadhika
Krishna.
हाँ।
and Sadhika का favorite question है लड़कों से पूछने का, what is your love language? ठीक है?
I am a relationships writer, so I just feel like I love asking about love.
And this she'll not ask to a female वो हाँ guest, always male guest. ठीक है? तो इसने पूछ लिया.
मोटिव है इसका।
तो
ये फिगर आउट करी, नहीं 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 नहीं, तुम रहने दो।
You don't fit the
क्या
card.
क्या
Yeah.
करना है जान के? फीमेल गेस्ट है, मैं स्ट्रेट हूँ, क्या करना है जान के? है ना
And I think
साधका?
like I have different questions for you.
तो हुआ
Yeah.
क्या? अच्छा अभी
तो
हाँ।
फिर
अच्छा,
वो
हाँ।
एपिसोड के दो अलग अलग हिस्सों को जोड़ दिया गया where साधका इज लाइक आपका लैंग्वेज क्या है, and he's like और whatever, and then
Yeah,
you know
and-
so basically साधका की बेइज्जती हो चुकी है उस वायरल मीम में, बट एक्चुअली में ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था, वो एक अलग जवाब था और वो एक अलग सवाल था जिनको स्टिच करके you know she was
Yeah.
अभी
So
तो
this
हम
happens all the
यहाँ
time.
तक पहुंचे कि एडिटिंग और साउंड से लोग अभी मस्ती कर रहे हैं। अभी तो एआई क्या क्या करेगा।
Yeah,
ये
that's
सोचो,
true,
मेरे को
that's
तो
true.
एंजाइटी होती है सोच के यार कि मतलब and you know the kind of person I am, I talk unfiltered. I talk like a
Yes.
normal human being. Like I try not to give manufactured answers. If I don't want to answer something, I'll tell you, यार मेरे को बात नहीं करनी. And you can't force me into
Of
this thing,
course.
right? But I feel it gives me anxiety because anything I can say which is just said in another context can be twisted out of context.
100%.
और फिर आप लोग बोलते हो अरे actors or celebrities or whoever like famous people, they don't really they're not
Candid enough.
They're not candid enough. Arey, but why should I be candid? Because you're
For
going to use
sure.
that against me.
Yeah,
You're going to
yeah.
use my candidness in the way I am
absolutely.
against me just for your entertainment, for your virality, for your page to do well. Literally, sometimes I'll say something वो नीचे टिकर में नहीं आते लिखे, मैंने कहा यार ये मैंने ऐसे तो बोला भी नहीं था, इसका
गलत
मतलब ही
बना
कुछ और था।
No, people can be cancelled overnight for something that they did not even mean in that manner.
And they
Right.
have been
So, yeah.
like this year. I mean, so many people have gotten cancelled, which is why I mean, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा देख के when you said yes to going on the Pretty Good Roast show. Because you know, in all of this light, it's a bold move, right?
Very
Because you
bold.
know कि you're sitting across comedians anyway,
Right.
and anything can be said because it's a more raw sort of a platform, right? As opposed to certain interviews. So first of all, kudos to you. I think it was a very badass move.
Thank you.
We loved watching you in
Yeah.
that.
Well, the credit for that actually has to go to Bassi.
Yeah?
Because he invited me and he said my friends are doing this and it'll be cool if you can come. And I said, and I know Bassi and I really like him. And I said, sure, I'll come for it because I think. And I was in Delhi for something and I said, you know what, I happen to be here, so guys don't have to fly me. मैं आ जाऊँगी. So it just kind of happened and in fact he came to pick me up and then as we were driving, मैंने कहा अच्छा बोलना क्या है? I don't know how to do a roast or stand up or whatever, but I had some ideas and then he gave me a lot of things which I wrote down.
Wow.
And honestly, I just said it.
I think it takes a lot of courage. You've interviewed Ashish Solanki, right?
Solanki,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I think it's a bold move, takes a lot of courage also because it's their job to pick the weakest areas of your life and then, make an
Turn
issue
your
about that.
vulnerabilities into
Yeah,
comedy.
yeah.
But
So,
मैंने बोला ना कि अगर
but
आप
I can't do it.
Really? Should we play that game actually? It'll be fun.
हाँ. Why not?
As long as it's women asking us to play games.
So basically, हम लोग theatre में करते थे that one person would sit on a chair and the other two have to force that person to get off the chair. But the only way that person will get up if that person says no or a negative word. So supposing I say तेरा नाम रश्मिका है ना, तो what will you say? You have to reply.
हाँ.
रश्मिका तू कहाँ रहती है?
आपको नहीं पता?
देख नहीं बोल दिया ना.
Oh, अच्छा. Oh,
So the moment you say anything negative, now you've lost.
Oh, got it.
So the thing is, and the idea of this game is, of course, now if you're sitting with like 15 people, now they can ask you anything,
Yeah.
and suddenly we're like, and no comes very easily to all of us. नहीं.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like sometimes you have to say yes also. आप नहीं बोल के yes बोलते हैं लोग. नहीं हाँ मगर वो ऐसा वाला आता है. So it's actually a great exercise. So now you have to get the person off the chair, but that person can't use a negative word.
Wow.
Try with me.
कौन सी मूवी आ रही है आपकी?
बदलापुर.
आप देखने जाओगे?
हाँ.
आपने पहले देखी हुई अपनी कोई पहले मूवी?
बहुत बार.
अच्छा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे आके?
बहुत.
आप सिंगल हो?
हाँ.
गलत पूछ लिया.
उल्टा पूछना था.
उल्टा पूछ
हाँ.
ये गलत हो गया.
आपको पता लग रहा है ना कि आप जीत चुके हो.
हाँ.
Yes.
जीत तो आप चुके हो. चलो.
Rani Bharti for the win.
अच्छा, by the way, I've heard that you're a perfume connoisseur. Is that
Really?
true?
Not a connoisseur. I like one perfume which is the only perfume I wear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's it?
It's called ऐसे बोल दो brand ऐसे थोड़ा महंगा है फिर लोग बोलेंगे इतना महंगा परफ्यूम लगाते
नहीं,
हैं
कोई बात
नहीं,
नहीं, इसको
वो
पता है
है।
साउथ दिल्ली से हो.
कितनी snooty है
South Delhi.
but actually after much research and trial and error Creed Aventus that's the
Nice.
perfume I like.
You know, I think it's the classiest thing to have one signature fragrance.
Yeah.
अभी मैं उस फेज में हूँ अपनी लाइफ में जब मैं आई होर्ड बट आई डू हैव वन सिग्नेचर फ्रेग्रेंस एंड वैसे आई अनगेट कीप एवरीथिंग बट दिस वन आई गेट कीप आई डोंट साधका's ऑलरेडी शी नोज इट
Yeah.
आई थिंक एक बहुत है.
I won't ask you.
हाँ, I'll tell you off camera.
तुम्हें मेरा तो बुलवा दिया ये क्या मतलब है
हम-
अब उसकी प्राइस और ऊपर
सेलिब्रिटी
चली
आप हो
जाएगी
ना. सेलिब्रिटी आप हो.
People can, you know, like people who aspire to meet you one day will probably know that this is the fragrance that will probably
हाँ अच्छा
attract
फ्री
Huma.
परफ्यूम आ जाएगा पैसे बचेंगे Superb है.
वैसे, what is the first thing that you sort of notice in a, you know, like guy or in a prospect, relationship wise, love wise?
Smile
Yeah.
smile kindness I don't know I don't know how you can gauge that you know some people are kind by their energy and some people are not so yeah these two things
Very interesting. Yeah. I don't like dirty nails.
So
which
this
seems
is my
very-
you stole my answer.
अरे but like two
played this
more
game.
than one
कैसे
people
लड़कों से मिल रही हो डर्टी
Yeah?
कौन
नहीं,
है ये
नहीं, no, no,
लड़के
no.
कहाँ
So
जाते हैं
some
ये?
men-
इनके नेल्स डर्टी क्यों हैं
नहीं जाते हैं
क्या
salon
करते
में।
हैं?
कैजुअल वे ऑफ बीइंग इंसल्टेड नहीं यार कुछ
नॉट कैजुअल डायरेक्ट वे कौन है ये लड़के ये गंदे नाखूनों वाले
नहीं हमारा
नहीं
हम
मिल
कैजुअली इंसल्ट हो गए
हाँ.
तो तुम कैसे लड़कों से मिल रहे हो.
But you
Yeah,
notice
but,
height ना first. You
No,
have a height
shoes and
forever.
nails. So a lot of men know they don't cut
Shoes and
nails.
ओह
वो थोड़े से बड़े हुए होते हैं तो ग्रोन नेल्स ऑन मेन इज समथिंग आई
फिर
फाइंड
ऐसे वो नेल पेंट लगाते हैं कैसे वैसे वो वाले तेरे को पसंद है हाँ यू लाइक वो वाले मेन
नहीं मतलब बड़े नहीं होने चाहिए कटे हुए
Blush
होने
क्यों करी?
चाहिए.
Blush करिए ना.
नहीं दैट्स नॉट माय टाइप कटे हुए साफ सुथरे नेल्स होने चाहिए इज व्हाट आई
वो तेरा उल्टा टाइप ओके सॉरी
I love this.
I like I'm roasting you guys on your own show
I think you're giving us a taste of that ना. Pretty good roast.
I
Pretty
just
good
said ना
roast.
कि मैं
Pretty
नहीं
good
जा
roast by
सकती तो
Huma
she's
Qureshi.
preparing me for it. यार तेरे को जाना पड़ेगा.
yeah,
तो
क्या
जा.
बोल दिया मम्मा
But no, I'll take the nails answer back. I'll say articulation. I think I like a guy who can.
बट नेल चाहे गंदे हो चलेगा मगर आर्टिकुलेट होना चाहिए
नहीं पहले नोटिस आर्टिकुलेशन करूंगी उसके बाद उसको आर्टिकुलेट करके बताऊंगी कि आर्टिकुलेट वे में बताऊंगी कि नेल्स काटो.
So what is more important for you? Personal hygiene or
English better
English?
एक सेकंड पर्सनल हाइजीन इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट.
या इंग्लिश उसका अच्छा
but
जब
I think it's a very
हाइजीन
tough
बेस्ट
choice
है
for
मगर
you,
इंग्लिश नहीं आती
साधना.
उसे
तो डेट
या
करना जरूरी
या
है.
या इंग्लिश मतलब एकदम फर्राटेदार बोलता है मगर पर्सनल हाइजीन इज फुल ऑन
कि मैं नहला दूंगी.
मैं नहला दूंगी
अगर इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी
नाखून भी
होगी
काट दूंगी.
No, if he's as well spoken as Shashi Tharoor, Sadhika is like मैं नहला दूंगी कोई दिक्कत
you
नहीं है.
serious?
No, she's big on English, no? She's been a writer
And I
all
have
her
a
life.
crush on Shashi Tharoor for his
Yeah,
English.
same.
Oh wow. I
In a
love
very
how you said-
platonic sort of a manner. He's
There's
very
nothing called a
old.
platonic crush.
Yeah.
मतलब ठीक है we
No,
look
no,
up
I love his English. And
yeah, same. I want to be able to speak the way that man speaks. Him and Palki Sharma both.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Which one is your which is your most favorite Indian politician?
Favorite
Female.
Indian politician?
Female.
Yeah.
Since you've
No,
been
I can't take
doing a show on
names.
politics.
I can't really. My
You can't
favorite.
take your name.
I'm not going to take my name, but my favorite Indian politician is Rani Bharti.
Good answer.
yeah.
Yeah, nice. Okay, fair. Okay, since we have the Maharani herself sitting with us in the studio, we have a little game that we want to play with you, and it's called Pass the Power.
Okay.
Okay, so in this, you have to sort of sit here and elect your cabinet with us, but Bollywood edition. Okay, for example, who would you send to negotiate peace between rival politicians?
Negotiate peace. Send Shahrukh sir. He's the best. He will get the best deal for our country. वो best है.
I agree with that. If you had to make one Bollywood actor your deputy CM,
I think Saqib ना family में रहेगी.
मैं बोलने वाली थी maybe your brother.
It will stay in the family. Best है. हाँ.
smart answer.
And he'll be my deputy. So I'll be like, ये कर.
Who's your chief of entertainment?
I think Varun would be the most entertaining. Yeah.
Chief of energy, entertainment, everything. Who's definitely not getting access to state secrets?
I don't know now who's. I can't
Who's
take.
the most पेटू of all?
What is पेटू?
मतलब जो discreet नहीं होता, बातें शेयर करता है.
अच्छा पेटू है तो पेटू वो होता है जो भुक्कड़ होता है उसको नहीं बोलते पेटू
पंजाबी में
पेटू
ना पेटू बोलते हैं, मतलब पेट में
You
कुछ
can't keep a
बचता नहीं है.
secret, basically.
पेटू I don't know. All my friends are good secret keepers, so I don't know.
चलो,
You're very lucky then.
हाँ.
Yeah. Okay. Who would you trust to handle the media briefings without creating a scandal?
Oh, Rajkumar Rao, hands
Yeah.
down. He's so good. I feel like he's just the most proper person ever. Like he never gets into any kind of this thing.
And who would you trust to run your campaign if you were contesting rural elections?
I
Too
think
much.
Zahir would be very good. Zahir Iqbal. He'd be very good.
Nice.
And we have a very good equation with him, right?
Okay, last. Who's your opposition party leader, the one who would challenge you the most?
Sonakshi. And use her husband to run the campaign best.
I think that is like a power play.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very Maharani move.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
cool this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the kind of equation I'd like to have with you and your husband, you know.
Huh.
So very
Yeah.
cool that way.
It's actually very lucky if you like the person that your best friend is dating, because if you don't, then it's obviously a nightmare for
Yes.
the best friend, because how do you make these two come along?
Yeah.
But I think it's a blessing in disguise.
Or
if-
usually नहीं होता. You always hate the man your best friend is dating or
So you don't
marrying.
like her.
We're single.
but she
जब
didn't
करते
like
थे तब-
him, and I'm not dating him anymore.
Good.
But she
Good
did it
choice.
because of
Yes,
Keep
good
the
choice.
friend.
Yes,
हाँ.
yes.
I think your best friends can smell the bullshit for you because
Yeah.
प्यार
So
में
true.
सब लोग ना अंधे हो जाते हैं
That is
तो
true.
Yeah.
बेस्ट
That
फ्रेंड
is
देख
true.
लेती है.
Guilty as charged.
चलो अब हमें
English अच्छी थी ना?
सिर्फ इंग्लिश ही अच्छी थी.
चलो now the whole internet knows you कि you need English. नेल
As
ना काटे
my-
चलेगा.
हाँ, नहीं nails भी काट लो
कट तो
please.
कटवा दियो ना, हो गई बात. अब चलो ठीक है, अब हम महारानी से एक रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं. If you got 10 lakhs right now, splurge or invest?
Invest.
If your best friend started dating your ex, what's your first move?
I don't know. I'll just be laughing. See? Well done, well done. All the best. मजा आएगा.
One makeup product you take to a deserted island.
Makeup or skincare?
One of
ठीक
each.
है, कर लो.
Oh, one of each. Then I just carry like sunblock, like get these sunblock sprays, which are so you can,
Yeah.
and just maybe like a nice lip and a cheek tint.
Good choice.
A character from Maharani you'd want on your side in real life.
The character that Kanni plays, I think she was just like the most amazing person, character, both. To have like the perfect girlfriend to have in your life.
One thing only girls understand but guys never will.
Everything.
Yeah, fair enough. And usually we ask the guests to sort of give a piece of advice to all the young people watching. But since you've already done that, there's one thing that we would love to ask you,
Yeah.
and that is that now going forward, starting with you, when we'll ask the guests to sign off, we'll ask them that what is that one thing that you will stop apologizing for this year.
Oh wow.
Because women, they spend their entire lives apologizing for who
Yeah.
they are, the choices they make, the things they do. So I think it's high time, and this is our little contribution to empower women. कि ठीक है, बस अब इसके लिए हम माफी मांगना बंद करेंगे.
I'm gonna stop apologizing for being more. More of everything, and I'm gonna stop apologizing for like asserting myself. It's perfectly okay.
I think that's a very beautiful answer, and it gives you also perspective, because sometimes, sometimes just hearing that one line is enough for you to take inspiration in your own life.
Yeah.
I just did because I've been apologizing for being a little extra, I think,
Yeah.
now. So
So here's to all of us not, apologizing for being extra anymore.
Absolutely.
And being ourselves.
Absolutely. To South Delhi girls.
To South Delhi girls. Thank you so much, Huma. It was an absolute treat and joyride having you here.
ये तुम सबको बोलते हो.
नहीं बोलते, in fact हम इतना हंसते भी नहीं है.
और अलग
There
तो
were
वैसे हम हंसे
moments-
आज, काफी हंसे. It was fun. It
No,
was really
you
fun.
have genuinely been, you deserve to be on that roast show, because boy, you are funny.
Yeah. And I'll be lying if I said कि हर guest का अपना charm नहीं होता, वो है. But for some reason it did not feel like we weren't uptight. We were very comfortable. Like we were very, very comfortable. And this is our first Bollywood edition podcast.
Yeah.
But we were very comfortable, and I loved the energy. You were, the way like
you.
तू ऐसे कर ले, तू ये कर ले, मेरा ठीक कर दे. I loved it.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. You girls are wonderful. Sadhika Radhika, I wish you all the best for your show. I mean, it's not a joke. It's their name, guys.
Thank you.
Is the way I tell it. Okay, Radhika Sadhika. अरे क्या नाम है उसका? राधिका साधिका. No, but really, you girls are lovely, and thank you so much for having me on your show.
Thank you for coming, and all the best for Maharani.
Thank you. Thank you.
And enjoy Salim's tonight. We know you're headed there.
I'm heading there right now.
Yes, so
Okay,
are
bye.
we.